Welcome to English Digital. Today we're going to look at on how to build internal and external links for your blog post. So I'm going to go through the entire process of publishing a blog, and while doing that, on how to insert the internal and external links. Okay, so this is one of my websites. So let us just log into the dashboard of this WordPress website. Then once that's done, go to post, click all posts. We come to the post, we click add new post. Okay, so it's basic SEO on page and off page for content. That is for blog writing, which I'm going to go through with you all today. So let's start. So I have come to the blog page editor, and from here I've already written the blog so that it makes the process easier. Okay, so I've written a blog on training different muscle groups for a balanced physique, since this website is based on physical fitness. Fitness Nomad Pro, that's the name of the site. I'll copy the heading. Okay, then after that let us copy the body text. It's about 600 words, quite lengthy blog. So minimum for SEO, you need to have at least 600 words or more, so that there's sufficient content that Google can spot and try to rank your site. So before we put in the links, let us quickly set the basic parameters. Put the heading, make this H2 is very important. Google bots, they run through the headings H1, H2, H3. So we can make this H3, and these already bold. We can make this also H3. Okay, then if you want to, you can make this H4. So you're telling Google that it's in a categorical order, that the content titles what it talks about from the most important, and you go into subcategories breaking it down. Okay, so so put the headings, and after that we're going to talk about on how to build internal and external links, which is very easy actually. So I'm using the Yoast plugin for this website, SEO plugin. Yoast is good, Rank Math is good, so all those SEO plugins are very good to set the SEO for your blogs. So in this case, when you talk about internal link, you want to link for a specific keyword to an existing content blog on your website, on your own website. That is called internal linking. Okay, so in this case, let's just quickly run through. Okay, there's one good possible keyword here, keyword phrase fitness goals. Let's just copy that and let us do a quick search. Just paste it. So once you paste, see I have similar blogs which has this keyword fitness or goals. Okay, so what I'm telling the Google and what I'm giving the user experience to the reader is, they want to explore further on fitness goals, they can always refer one of my older blogs. So how CrossFit can help you achieve your fitness goals. See, there's one blog related to that, so we can connect that. So once I link that, see, it's already linked, and that's an internal link, which is a very important tool or a technique or a hack to use for your blog, because internal links builds a network or a spider like network within your own website and a domain, where every URL that you're creating is linked to another URL. So it's easy for the Google crawler bots to crawl your website and to identify relevant information, and it gives users also to refer further information if they want to on specific keyword phrases that you choose and you want to link to. So internal linking is a very powerful tool for SEO, and you should be using it in blogs. That's internal link. Then we're going to build an external link. So building an external link is also very, very important, where you link a particular key phrase on your website to a authoritative site on another or third-party site. Okay, now this is very, very important for Google to give value to your content, and for your content to do well in search results, plus for people to find more referred information like the internal linking, they go into external sources. Okay, so a lot of anything can be a keyword on a blog. I mean, just don't have to be something which has 10,000 searches a month or 100,000. So all the words in this blog which I've written are possible target keywords. So if you're into the niche which you're in, you will know which keywords are probably searched. So you need to understand how keyword researcher works on a basic level for you to do this properly. Okay, so I'm going to choose a keyword here. So training different muscle groups, keyword phrase, that is entire phrase. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to open another tab, and I'm going to search. Okay, so Healthline is a high domain authority website. It's ranking any website which ranks on the top 10 or 5 in organic search. Those websites have good domain authority and their quality content. So Healthline is a very good website. So there are a lot of websites. Men Health, PO Gym, it's your choice. You can just go through every medical news today. Men's Health. So we will choose Men's Health in this case. Okay, they also they're very good informative information. So something which content is similar to your site, you can just copy this URL and you can link it to your blog. Okay, so I link that external URL to this blog here, this blog. So that's external URL here, and there's an internal URL here, fitness goals. So that is the internal and external link building for a blog post. And this takes effect once you build sufficient amount of these links. For example, if you have about 500 blogs, and if all those blogs are internal external linked, then your blog and your website will do good in search results with time. But your content needs to be of quality, it needs to be natural, it needs to add value to the reader and give the steps and break down point form, all of this, right? So that's you should know how to write a blog post for you to rank properly as well. So let us now choose an image. Okay, now we need to post this with image, so let us post an image. So I already have an image ready. Before that, let us just select the categories. So this comes under physical fitness, so I'm going to put as workouts, so training different muscle groups. Okay, so I can have this as a target tag. So before we put the image, let me set the basic SEO like you would have seen. Okay, different muscle group, training different muscle groups is the keyword. So I already got the green bar for the Yoast SEO when I put this keyword. So then we need to set the I put the excerpt as a default, so automatically my first few lines of the blog will be picked up by the SEO plugin as the meta description for this blog. So it's easy, I'll leave it at that. So let's quickly find look for an image and publish on this blog. So I selected the image, this image here. So just me put the alt text. This was very important, SEO. And if you want to put a title, you can put the title, and any small description. If you want to write, you can write. Okay, so after we do that, the image is ready. Then just check, double check if everything is in place. All the SEO parameters. So everything is looking good on this blog. So let us go ahead and hit the publish button. Okay, so it's gonna publish now. It's publishing. So it's very important that we always double check the content and the SEO parameters, we set it properly before hitting the publish button. So it's good, it's published, and we can view post, and here you can see I have set push notifications from another plugin called One Signal, so that also will get some good traffic. Mobile, it's basically mobile and web push notifications. People are subscribed to it will get those push notifications, and they click on that notification, they'll get the link back to this blog site, so I get a traffic and a visitor. So I will do another video on that separately. So the blog is published, so let us check the blog, let us view the post, and it's all good to go. Training different muscle groups for balanced physique. So the main idea of this blog was to put in the internal and external links. So we have the internal link here, so we can see the URL here. Once I just put it over fitness, how CrossFit can help you achieve your fitness goals, and then I put an external link as well, so that also should be somewhere here. Okay, so where's that external link of mine? Let me just go through. Okay, one moment. Yeah, so this is the external link which I placed. You can see the the URL appearing here once I just hover through it. So someone clicks on it, again they will be redirected to this website. Go back. Okay, somebody clicks on the internal link, they will get redirected to my own website blog, which is again LinkedIn. So I paste links here. You can see the blue ones all there. So these again side banners is where I'm promoting some some products and selling some ebooks on certain diet programs and all of that. So so that's this video. what I want to tell you is on how to build the internal external links, and so this tutorial is I covered those areas. And for any doubts, any questions, please do leave it in the comments. I'll be more than happy to reply. And kindly do subscribe to my channel so I can put up a very useful content on a very regular basis like this one. Okay, so adios until next time. It's bye bye from English Digital.